On Friday, Bitcoin, BTC, rallied and returned above the $40,000 level for the first time in 2 weeks, while Ethereum, ETH, neared the $3,000 level. At 1700 hours UTC, BTC trades at $40,426 and is up almost 10% in a day and 9% in a week. ETH jumped 12%, surpassing $2,950. It's also up 22% in a week. Other coins from the top 10 club are up 5% to 13% in a day. As reported today, some analysts argue that BTC and ETH may be bottoming or are soon to bottom, but with cautionary words attached against premature bullishness. The current rise came after considerable range-bound price action that saw volumes drying and shorts increasing. Typically, when the market is heavily leaning on one side of a trade, too long or too short, the price can move to counter that weight and squeeze positions. Joe Pasquale, CEO of crypto hedge fund BitBull Capital, wrote in an emailed comment. According to him, in the last 2 years, risk on equities and Bitcoin have been positively correlated, but this was not the case overall previously. This week, the Nasdaq and S&P 500 have recovered where they were before Jan 21, the day BTC sold off from USD 43K to USD 35K. With equities' partial recovery, all things being equal, we expected to see BTC back to used 40-41K, De Pasquale added. Meanwhile, this jump today is also attributed to recent positive developments in the stock market. The fact that AMZN's earnings went the way of Apple, MSFT and Google, and not the way of FB, has given investors more confidence to re-engage with the risk-on trade. Matt Maley, Chief Market Straight. Also, today was announced that the U.S. economy created far more jobs than expected in January. Non-farm payrolls increased by 467,000 jobs last month, while economists polled by Reuters had forecast 150,000 jobs would be added in January. Also, according to Hayden Hughes, CEO at Alpha Impact, a trading social media platform, although there were concerns about accelerating monetary policy, there is now a sense among many capital markets that a 50 basis point rate hike is priced in given recent movements in equity markets. However, Will Hamilton, head of trading and research at Trovio Capital Management, said that throughout this period of consolidation, changes in the derivatives market indicate traders continuing to bet on further downside. Futures funding has remained in a sustained period of negativity, indicating. According to him, from an on-chain perspective, further accumulation is evident as new and existing investors continue to increase holdings. The number of new Bitcoin wallets with a greater than 0.00 balance has hit all-time high of 40.